And I almost feel like when it comes to stocks like Circle and Figma, um, those were interesting investments a couple of weeks ago when the market had more of an appetite for speculation and exuberance. Now we're kind of in that not now Coco kind of stage where the economy's gotten a little bit more serious, things have kind of tightened up. Everybody's sober now. Before everyone was drunk, so it's like, yeah, here's $500, sure. Now it's like, nah, we got to think about, well, we got to look at the accounting and make sure that we can afford everything that you know what I mean? Like it's kind of crunch time, right? So I almost feel like with Circle and Figma, the big question that you have with Circle in particular is nobody truly knows what the value of that company actually is. This 20 of financial health pretty much says a lot. That tells you a lot about its investment. If it's not for the faint of heart. And down here they list the key risks. So you see the word sell in big red letters. Legacy builder score. That's like a question about whether or not you would put this in your long-term portfolio or in your family trust. And they're kind of saying, like, if you're trying to build your legacy off Circle, you may not be building a whole lot. There's a chance that the stock may not turn out to be much of anything. The issue is uncertainty. The issue is that it hasn't proven itself yet, right? And so here in this case, Circle, which is a major player in the coin market, which I think is going to grow. The key risks are that they have no profitability or revenue growth. That's bad. This is not a good environment for low profit companies with little revenue growth. They have high volatility, also dependence on market conditions without a solid financial foundation. That's a recipe for an economic explosion. Key strengths, though, are that they have a big market cap. I don't know if that's a strength, though. Presence in the financial services sector. That sector is going to grow for sure. Potential for future growth if the business model improves. So this is a potential stock. That's the goal, right? So this $23 billion in market cap on Circle, in my view, is built around potential. Yeah, it's built around like we believe that you might be great one day, but we're kind of okay if you're not.